What is fibromyalgia? And what are fibromyalgia symptoms and natural remedies? Fibromyalgia is common and chronic syndrome that causes pain, tenderness, and fatigue in the muscles of specific parts of the body, including the neck, shoulders, back, hips, arms, and legs. It is accompanied by fatigue, sleep, memory, and mood issues. The pain occurs when someone puts pressure on the affected areas. The cause of this condition is still unknown. However, the researchers believe that fibromyalgia amplifies pain sensations by affecting the way your brain processes these pain signals. Symptoms sometimes begin after a physical trauma, surgery, infection, or significant mental stress. But big risk factors are rheumatoid arthritis and other autoimmune disorders. Other factors include anxiety, trauma, insomnia, headaches, painful menstruation, numbing or tingling in the hands and feet, morning stiffness, temperature sensitivity, restless leg syndrome, and sensitivity to loud noises or bright lights. People with these disorders are most commonly affected. Around 5 million adults are affected by fibromyalgia in the United States alone, and 80% to 90% patients are women. What fibromyalgia is not? Fibromyalgia is often confused with arthritis and joint inflammation. But it is not. It is just a rheumatic condition that causes soft tissues pain or myofascial pain. There is no cure for fibromyalgia, but medication, some lifestyle changes, and natural remedies can help people manage the symptoms. Here are some ways to manage fibromyalgia. Number 1. Sleep well. Getting enough sleep is most crucial for fibromyalgia to reduce the fatigue that accompanies this condition. There is an established link between poor sleep and fibromyalgia. To get a high quality sleep, you can minimize the daytime naps and have a fixed sleep routine. Turn off the lights and noise at bedtime. Avoid screen time just before sleeping. Take your meals 2 hours before going to sleep. Avoid alcohol and coffee before sleeping. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Doctors suggest that doing regular aerobic exercise, including swimming, walking, or cycling, improves the quality of life of fibromyalgia patients. It may also lead to better physical fitness and increased muscle tone with reduced pain, fatigue, and muscle stiffness. A neurological study found that a 15-week exercise program partly reverses an unusual brain activity that affects people with fibromyalgia. The patients reported a decrease in symptoms severity. You might consult a physical therapist to set up a suitable exercise program for you. Start off with a light exercise routine and gradually increase it. This is necessary to avoid fatigue. Number 3. Take rest. Getting tired and fatigued is a common symptom in people with fibromyalgia. So it is important to take rest when necessary. Too much exercise or too many activities can increase the pain and fatigue. Number 4. Diet. Eating a balanced and healthful diet, exercising, and reducing the use of caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, and illegal drugs can help reduce stress and improve mood. Avoid any foods that cause inflammation because fibromyalgia is linked to chronic inflammation. Added sugar foods, processed sugars, processed carbohydrates, processed meats, and anything packaged that contains preservatives are known to cause inflammation. Heavy alcohol consumption can also increase inflammation. Eat anti-inflammatory foods that are rich in fiber such as nuts, raspberries, and leafy green vegetables. Consuming some anti-inflammatory spice such as ginger or turmeric is also good. A recent study argues that fibromyalgia might be related to a person's metabolism, which disturbs the balance of chemicals in the brain. And this chemical disturbance causes the wrong signaling of pain to the brain. The study recommends avoiding fructose, candies, artificial sweeteners, lactose, and MSG. Number 5. Vitamins and supplements. Nutritional deficiencies make the fibromyalgia symptoms worse. Some experts believe that low levels of vitamin D and magnesium might cause fibromyalgia. Vitamin D deficiency is very common these days. Almost everyone is deficient in it. Around 42% Americans are deficient in vitamin D. And it is causing a lot of health problems, including stress and anxiety. Vitamin D is also needed for a strong immune system. Similarly, magnesium is involved in more than 300 processes in the body. Magnesium is also known to reduce stress by lowering cortisol levels. As always, consult with your doctor before trying any supplement, as these can sometimes interact with other medications or have adverse side effects. Number 6. Reduce stress. Many people report that stress makes their symptoms worse. Studies have identified links between psychological stress and fibromyalgia. Stress management techniques may make your symptoms less severe. Try to identify your stress factors and remove them systematically. Better stay away from the toxic people, which cause a great deal of stress. Keep in touch with your friends and family members. Get involved in some useful hobbies like gardening. Doing exercise like yoga and meditation can lower the stress levels. Number 7. Massage therapy. Massage is a well-known treatment for sore muscles and joints. It involves the gentle manipulation of the body to increase the range of motion. It reduces stress, promotes relaxation, and relieves pain. A study found that 5 weeks of massage therapy led to significant improvements in pain, anxiety, and depression in people with fibromyalgia. Number 8. Yoga and meditation. Nowadays, people are more and more getting involved in yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. And it is found very effective in managing fibromyalgia and reducing stress and anxiety. Yoga is more targeted towards the muscle flexibility and tone. While home remedies can help, it is best to discuss them with the doctor before trying anything new. This is it, guys. Please share and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.